So this is Mr. Kenneth Ajare, a poultry farmer, also cassava farmer. Before I talk about my poultry farm, I want to show you around. This is my cassava farm. You can see that the need for cassava is very important now because the cost of buying gari in the market is not something that we should play about. Imagine a cup of gari being 200 naira. So I have to manage to plant all these things, and without support, financial support, these things will not stand like this. That's why I solicit for NDDC to support in the aspect of this my farming system. So on the aspect of my poultry, I will show you around my poultry pen. This is the signpost to invite people into the system. So let us show you around in the poultry pen. Okay. So all these things are the farm, cassava farm. We don't start clearing for the year. And we need manpower sources to boost the farm system. All these things are land for cultivation. So without support, it will not happen. So don't start clearing over there. These are the new clearing to start for the year. See the farmland, see cassava. So all these things have been put in place. But then we need serious support to manage it. On the aspect of my poultry, all of us know that families, individuals and hotels need chickens nowadays. Many industries, baking industries need eggs for production. This is the poultry house, and we have decided to put organic plants in order to boost the poultry system because synthetic drug has failed us and it's not safe for human consumption. That's why we put all these things in place to boost the chickens for self-consumption. So this is why we are soliciting for NDDC 2 million grants to sustain this business, to grow to the next level, to expand. So you can see the poultry house. It can accommodate up to 1,000 chicken and more. Also, we need battery cage system for layers and broilers together. So with this, we can employ more people into the business. The 2 million people can also join in the farming system. Look at all these things in the cement bag are for organic use to boost the growth of the chicken and to make it safe for human consumption. So with the assistance of NDDC and another investor, we can move this business to the next level and have food for our society. These are the cassava farm, and they need manpower, they need resources, they need fertilizer to boost them. Besides, the firewood droppings are safe to fertilize our farm. So that's why we are looking forward for support from NDDC or any investor to help us to take our business to the next level. So thank you for your support at this time. We appreciate if the NDDC can do something to support this our business. One person use solar farm to do it. Space clearing for the year. This is the land that has been already cleared to start planting for this year. But then, without resources like raw materials, manpower, we cannot do anything about this land. See, we have cleared all the places for the year. See the acres of land lying waste, but there's no resources to boost them up. All these are hectares of land that can be used to plant foods so that we not go hungry again for this country. Since food has become hot cake to secure in the market, hiring caterpillar is not easy to till the soil. So we need to use our manpower to cultivate here, fertilizer, other resources for plantation. Power tiller to help arrange the soil also is also important to fasten the crop movement. So that's why we are soliciting for NDDC 2 million fundraising to support this our farm business. So if they can, we promise to bring food into the market this year, and then chicken, as we show you the chicken pen, to produce more chicken and egg for the masses to use. So I hereby solicit for investors into the business to support